Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the restore can run smoothly. Sign into your Apple ID and confirm there's a recent iCloud backup with enough space. This prevents partial restores. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug into power to avoid interruptions. Now power on your iPhone and at the setup screen choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign into your Apple ID when prompted so iCloud can list available backups to download and apply. Once you choose the backup, iOS will download the essential system state and settings first so your phone becomes usable quickly. You should make sure Wi-Fi remains solid because large media and apps download afterwards. This staged approach speeds access to core features. If you use iCloud Keychain or encrypted backups, enter those credentials when asked so passwords and health data restore securely. Stay patient, the progress bar may pause while apps and photos queue. That's normal. After the bulk of data is restored, finish setup by signing back into important apps and reauthorizing accounts. This restores message history, mail, and push notifications. Make sure iCloud settings like Photos, Contacts, and Keychain are enabled so continuous syncing resumes. If iOS prompts for an update, install it to avoid compatibility issues with app versions. If the restore stalls or fails, try rebooting the iPhone and reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or perform the restore via Finder or iTunes on a computer as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.